Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which side is USB-C and which is USB-A. This avoids forcing the wrong plug. Once done, make sure both devices are ready, unlocked, and not in low-power sleep, and clear any debris from ports. Hold the adapter and cable straight, align the connector with the socket, and insert gently until you feel it seat. You want a firm connection without wiggling. This ensures pins mate correctly and reduces data or power issues later. Once connected, look for on-screen prompts or notifications that tell you the mode, charging, file transfer, or accessory. If you see a choice, select the mode you need. On some phones, enable OTG or file transfer explicitly. Next, verify the connection by transferring a small file or plugging a simple peripheral like a mouse. This confirms both power and data lines work. If it fails, disconnect and reseat the adapter, checking that orientation and cable quality aren't the issue. To finish, always eject external storage or stop active transfers before unplugging to prevent corruption. If the adapter shows intermittent behavior or nothing happens, try a known good cable or another adapter to isolate the fault. Make sure both devices support the intended function. Some hosts limit accessory types. If problems persist, reboot the host device and check USB settings or permissions. This often clears software-level blocks and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.